powerful, he's wise, and he still has a sense of humor, even when facing his own mortality. Kicking off our list is this playful joke, Yoda's own wry acknowledgement that time has caught up with him. It's tinged with sadness, but also shows his greatness as a teacher. Yoda doesn't want his student to feel burdened with the fact that he's dying.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Yoda's wisdom comes from hundreds of years of study.
Hello and welcome back to class. I'm going to deal with grammar in this lesson, and I hope you enjoyed the little introduction by Yoda. I'm sure most, if not all of you, are familiar with him. He's obviously a character from Star Wars films, and the reason I put that in is obviously grammar is the subject of the lesson, and Yoda's grammar is somewhat questionable. So in the extract, he was saying, wonderful mind of a child is. Now, of course, to teachers of English and teachers of grammar, this is completely wrong. So what is he actually trying to say? Can I have some suggestions? Yes, yes, of course. Of course, what he's trying to say, or what we would normally say, is a child's mind is a wonderful thing. Something like that. So that's hopefully the correct grammar, but this is Yoda speak. And while it's fun, it's not strictly correct, and we will come back to this. There's an exercise later on which I'm going to give you, and the fun part is you'll get to watch a lot more of wit and wisdom from Yoda. So this is going to be a very entertaining lesson. But in the middle is a little bit boring because I want to deal with one other aspect of grammar, which is dealing with past tense and past perfect and past perfect continuous. So what did you do after school yesterday? After the class yesterday, what did you do? Anyone? Yes. Yeah. Okay. You played football. Played football. Okay. So that's past perfect. You played football. So that means somewhere in the past from now, you played football. Someone else? Okay. You went to see a film. You went to the cinema. Okay. I went to the cinema. Good, good. And one more. You watched TV. So all of these events are in the past, past perfect, played football, went to the cinema, or watched TV. Did anyone do any homework? I did homework. Okay, so just 4 examples I think are enough for the purpose of this short lesson. So what is the difference between past perfect and past perfect continuous? And the clue is in the word continuous, of course. It means that the action was happening yesterday. So how would you convert past perfect to past perfect continuous? Is I was playing football yesterday. Okay, but really the important part of this continuous is that something else happened. While you were playing football, something else happened. And that is the difference between the two. So I was playing football yesterday when my phone rang, for example. Okay. So there's an event and an addition to make it continuous, so that you were playing football and the phone rang. Likewise, with the cinema, you could say, I went to the cinema and bought some popcorn or had a meal, or sometimes during watching movies, people's phones ring. So you could also say, I was watching the film and my phone rang, as a continuous. Likewise here,